For years, you've been told oatmeal is the ultimate health food, especially for heart health and longevity. But what if the way you're preparing it is secretly working against you? The truth is, many well intentioned seniors are making simple mistakes that turn this potential superfood into a source of blood sugar spikes, stubborn belly fat, and chronic inflammation. Today, we're exposing the 10 most common oatmeal mistakes and showing you exactly how to transform your morning bowl into the life enhancing meal it was meant to be. Why your oatmeal might be betraying you after 50. As we age, our bodies process carbohydrates differently. That same bowl of oatmeal that once gave you steady energy can now cause dramatic blood sugar swings. Here's why: our metabolism slows, insulin sensitivity decreases, and digestive efficiency changes. When prepared incorrectly, oatmeal's natural starches break down too quickly, flooding your system with glucose. This doesn't just affect your energy, it impacts your heart health, weight management, and even cognitive function. But don't worry, the solution isn't to abandon oatmeal, but to understand how to make it work for your body's changing needs. The 10 oatmeal mistakes sabotaging your health. Before we break down these 10 mistakes, can I ask you a quick personal favor? I've noticed that 99% of the people watching this right now aren't subscribed. If you're getting value from this free information, please consider hitting that subscribe button and liking the video. It truly helps me continue making content that protects your health. All right, let's get into the 10 oatmeal mistakes you need to stop making. 1. The instant packet trap. Those convenient flavored packets are nutritional landmines. A single serving can contain up to 15 grams of added sugar, that's nearly 4 teaspoons. But the damage doesn't stop there. Many also include artificial flavors, preservatives, and sodium that can disrupt your blood pressure and gut health. The smart switch. Invest 5 extra minutes to prepare whole rolled or steel cut oats. The difference in nutritional quality and how your body responds will astonish you. 2. The protein paradox. Eating plain oatmeal is like fueling a fire with newspaper. It burns hot and fast, leaving you hungry and energy crashed within hours. Without protein or healthy fats to slow digestion, your body processes those oats too rapidly, causing insulin spikes. The power combo. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flaxseed, a handful of walnuts, or stir in a scoop of Greek yogurt. This simple addition can transform your metabolic response and keep you satisfied until lunch. 3. The sweetener sabotage. That drizzle of honey or brown sugar might seem harmless, but it's turning your healthy breakfast into dessert. Added sugars create inflammation, feed unhealthy gut bacteria, and promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Natural alternatives. Mash half a banana into your oats while cooking. Add cinnamon for natural sweetness, or use pure vanilla extract. Your taste buds will adapt within days and your body will thank you. 4. The fiber shortfall. While oats contain soluble fiber, they lack the insoluble fiber crucial for digestive health and blood sugar control. This is especially important for seniors dealing with constipation or blood sugar management. Fiber boost. Stir in 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk, add fresh berries, or mix in ground flaxseed. This combination supports both heart health and regular digestion. 5. The overcooking error. Boiling oats into mush might seem traditional, but it destroys their texture and nutritional benefits. Overcooked oats break down too quickly in your digestive system, spiking blood sugar faster than properly prepared oats. Perfect texture method: bring water to a boil, add oats, then simmer for just 5 to 7 minutes until creamy but still with some chew. Better yet, try overnight oats for maximum nutrient preservation. 6. The oat milk misunderstanding. Many seniors switch to oat milk thinking it's healthier, but most commercial versions are essentially sweetened oat water with added oils and stabilizers. Some contain more sugar than soda. Wiser choices. Opt for unsweetened almond milk, real dairy milk, or make your own oat milk without additives. Always read labels carefully. 7. The monotony mistake. Eating the same food daily, no matter how healthy, can lead to nutrient gaps and potential food sensitivities. Your gut microbiome thrives on diversity. Rotation solution. Alternate oatmeal with other nutrient dense breakfasts like quinoa porridge, chia pudding, or vegetable omelets. Your gut bacteria will flourish with the variety. 8. The portion distortion. A heaping eyeballed portion can easily contain double the recommended serving size. For less active seniors, this means excess calories that convert to stubborn weight. Portion control. Use a measuring cup. Half a cup dry oats is the ideal starting point. Adjust based on your activity level and hunger needs. 9. The dried fruit pitfall. Those innocent-looking raisins and dried cranberries are sugar bombs. The drying process concentrates their natural sugars, and many brands add extra sweeteners. Fresh approach. Use fresh or frozen berries instead. If you prefer dried fruit, soak it overnight to reduce the sugar concentration and improve digestibility. 10. The salt oversight. Completely salt-free oatmeal tastes bland and misses an important nutritional opportunity. A tiny pinch of high-quality salt enhances flavor and helps with nutrient absorption. Balanced approach. Add just a pinch of sea salt or Himalayan pink salt during cooking. You'll need less sweetener and absorb minerals more effectively. The ultimate senior optimized oatmeal recipe. Let's put all this knowledge into practice with what I call the longevity bowl. Ingredients: half a cup steel cut oats, 1 cup water plus 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of sea salt, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons crushed walnuts. Preparation: 1. Bring water and almond milk to a gentle boil. 2. Add oats, chia seeds, cinnamon, and salt. 3. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Remove from heat and let stand. 2 minutes. Top with blueberries and walnuts. Why this works. The steel-cut oats provide slow-release energy. Chia seeds add protein and fiber. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. And walnuts contribute healthy fats. It's a complete balanced meal designed specifically for mature metabolisms. The distance between healthy and harmful oatmeal is just a few simple adjustments. Your morning routine should energize you, not work against you. Your bowl is your medicine. Remember this: after 50, your morning bowl of oatmeal is no longer just breakfast. It's your first and most important medicine of the day. When prepared correctly, it becomes a powerful formula that can stabilize your blood sugar for hours, protecting your blood vessels and your brain. Sweep excess cholesterol out of your body thanks to the right kind of fiber. Strengthen your gut health, which is the command center for your immunity and even your mood. Give you steady, even energy instead of a crushing crash by mid-morning. You're not just adding nuts or berries. You're adding years of healthy, active life. You're not just cutting out sugar. You're cutting out inflammation, brain fog, and sluggishness. The distance between oatmeal that ages you and oatmeal that rejuvenates you is just 5 minutes and 3 right ingredients. You already know which ones. Now the power is in your hands. Now I'm curious, which of these mistakes have you been making? Was it the instant packets, the missing protein, or something else entirely? Share your oatmeal confession in the comments. Your honesty might help someone else realize they're not alone in making these common errors. If you found this eye-opening, do us a favor, subscribe to the channel and like this video. We're committed to bringing you the truth about healthy foods, and with your support, we can help thousands of seniors transform their health, one bowl at a time.